request the event organizing committee to start the session. Yes, yes, Uditi, yes, you can continue.
Sir, can I?
Yes, yes.
So, good morning, all present. I'm honored to introduce the guest speaker of the day, Mrs. Baljeet Arora. She is a manager, HR, SML Isuzu Limited. She's an engineer with a postgraduate. I'm so sorry, give me a minute, please.
Yeah.
And Kirti, Sarthak, Rajan, Shivek, Karan, Yashika, Priyan, please keep your camera on, please. This is my privilege. Uditi, can I continue with the profile?
I think there's some issue, sir.
Yeah.
I can continue on her behalf. So, like she said that she is Ms. Baljeet Arora is the manager HR at SML Isuzu Limited. She's an engineer with postgraduate in human resource and masters in labor law and labor welfare. She brings in a rich experience of 13 years in the field of human resource development. She's worked with reputed groups like Tata and Anand Group. She is a creative and highly skilled trainer who is committed to enhancing not only the productivity but the overall quality of life of the people. And she's trained and empowered a large number of executives from various companies across the corporate world and students from schools like ours. Her passion for performance and ability to propel others' thoughts and actions makes her an inspiring leader. So, welcome, ma'am, and thank you for being here. We're looking forward to a great, inspiring session. Thank you.
So now the topic of this session is unleash yourself. So this is I think so it's a great and inspiring topic Madam has chosen. So now I request Ms. Baljeet Arora to interact with the students on unleash yourself.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Chabra. Thank you so much for inviting me for this session, and a very good morning to all of you students. As sir said, please switch on your cameras. I love interacting with the students when their cameras are on. You are seeing faces, wonderful faces around. So it's always, it feels good. So please switch on, all of you, please switch on your cameras so we can have a wonderful interaction, right? So how are you all today? How are you all? Doing good?
Fine, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Wonderful to hear such things from you. So this topic, unleash yourself, I believe this is it's actually one of my favorite topic. And whenever it comes to talking or interacting with the B school students or graduates or any other students like you, I love discussing this topic because I believe this is one of the most important thing which we all need to understand. I guess you all are MBA students for marketing and HR, correct? If I'm not wrong.
Finance also.
Also finance.
Okay, all the fields are there. Okay, great. So this is your first year, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Great. So wonderful. This is the first year, and this is the common the first year which is common to you all for your MBA. And in second year, you'll be going for your specializations, correct? So while doing this, I just want to ask you all a question. Have you all decided your career goals? Do you all know what you really want to do in life? Or it's a matter of chance or a matter of luck you got into this field of management? So this is one thing which is which you all need to ask yourself. It's very important. See, you all need to understand कि लाइफ में करियर का गोल क्लियर होना बहुत जरूरी है। मुझे लाइफ में क्या करना है, अगर मैं बोलती हूँ मुझे लाइफ में 5 साल में क्या करना है और 3 साल में क्या करना है, इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रियलाइज दिस. There is nobody who is asking you, right? There is nobody who will come and ask you कि आपने ये लेना है या ये करना है. This is a question you have to ask yourself. क्योंकि अगर आपका लाइफ का गोल क्लियर नहीं है, if you are not clear what you are doing with your life, what you want to be, where you want to be, what you really want to do in your life, if you are not clear about that right now, you land yourself in a job where you don't want to be. A survey tells that out of 10 graduates who joined, they leave out of 10, 4 of them leaves the organization in first year of service. Why so? Why these things are happening? Why we are having attrition in year 1 and year 2? This is because they get frustrated. They joined organizations, they get placements, and we believe that placement is something for which I am aiming to. If I'll ask you a question, half of you will say to get into a good organization, to get a good job, right? So half of you will give me this answer, because I keep listening to these answers whenever I go for campus placements, and I keep interacting during my sessions. But this is not the right career goal, my dear friends. This is not the right career goals. You really need to think, what are your skills, right? What are your skills? What are your competence? What are you good at? And what do you really want to do with your life? This is what you need to ask yourself. If you are aiming to join a particular sector, that thing should also be clear. If you are in next year, I know for first year at least you are clear that you will be going in marketing, or you will be going in human resources, or you will be taking finance, correct? So if you are going in finance or you are going in marketing, you should be that much clear that I want to go in this particular industry, I want to target this particular organization, and I want to know everything about it. Make yourself so much competent that people will look forward for you. We say that there is jobs are not there in market. There is a lot of stress in students nowadays. I believe it's the other way around. Make yourself so much competent that employer should be happy to take people like you. If you are putting forward your profile, you're showing your CV, the CV itself should reflect what you are as a person. और वो कब होगा? वो तब होगा जब आप अपने career goals clear रखेंगे. When you are very clear what you want to do with your life. Now, when we talk about this, what are the things which stops us from doing that? What are the things which stops us from doing that? The only thing which stops us from doing that is our own fear. Dar, fear of unknown, fear of joining, fear of coming out of your comfort zone. You all are in a very comfort zone where you are studying. This is the best time. You are studying. Your teachers are feeding you. They are giving you all the inputs. They are supporting you. They are guiding you. They are mentoring you, right? And you just have to learn. But when that fear, I'll come out of this comfort zone, I'll go in a new zone, it will be altogether a life-changing experience for me. Coming from campus to a corporate and industry is totally different. So that is one fear which is there. And the other fear, the fear of expectations. We have that fear. My parents are expecting something from me. My colleagues, my HODs, my professors, they expect something. But I want to ask you all a question. What do you expect from yourself? What do you really know? What do you expect from yourself? What you are? Have you really done that introspection? That is very important for you. Field chahe HR ho, chahe finance ho, chahe marketing ho. But if you are clear about yourself, you are clear what you really want to do in life, you'll automatically come out of this phase. We generally says that we take suggestions from others. What should I do with my life? What should I do with my career? Which company should I go? I think that is the worst thing we do. You can ask for guidance, but you are the best judge for yourself. You should know what you are, what are your competence, and also you should know where you lack, where, what are the areas where you need to improve yourself. Once you know that, you will develop yourself, you will work on yourself. And if you don't know that, if you really don't know, if you're just lost, you don't know where you want to go, what you want to do, then you land yourself again in a job. Definitely you all will get a job, you all will get placed. Some of you will go in your own, some of you will become entrepreneurs, some of you will go in industries, right? It's all like everybody will do something with your life. But my point is, are you doing the thing which you really want to do? Or after 10 years, when you see yourself, after 10 years, when you see yourself back and you reflect back and you say, I would have done that thing, but I have not done that thing with my life. I don't want to be in this sector. Still, I'm here. So these are the questions which will reflect back to you. So I want you all to just decide, sit back, decide your life goals. Life goals को decide करना. These goals should be personal. These goals should be professional. It's very important because you are at the right platform to decide. आप लोगों के लिए ये बहुत right time है because you are in your first year. You are building your careers and choose your specializations. Today is a time of specializations, right? You should choose your specialization in marketing. What in marketing? What do you want to get your expertise in? If it is HR, what do you think, which area you'll expertise in? How much extra effort you are putting in yourself to gain that knowledge? So if this is the right time for you, as you know, this COVID pandemic which has happened and we all are sitting at our home. I hope you all are also sitting at your home and attending classes. But how much time you have utilized this time? How much of you have utilized this time to to groom yourself, to learn more? There is lot many things available around. How much you are using the technology in a right way? Are we really doing that? This is what you need to ask yourself. It's very important, right? Secondly, either you are a student or when you go in the industry, the very important thing, the very important aspect which I want to highlight is communication. Communication is a very important aspect and is very critical at all level in the organization wherever we work. Till today, when I take professional programs for on communication sessions, I just highlight on this basic thing, which is about communication, and communication is all about listening. The entire process of communication, which is 100%, 45% is just your listening skills. And sadly, in industry also, in big industries, big organizations, people are lacking in this skill. लोगों को लगता है communication का मतलब है कि अच्छा बोलना, इंग्लिश में बोलना. That is not communication. Communication is how you can become an active listener, how you can give your 100% to somebody. If somebody is talking, are your mind, your body, everything is aligned with that person? Or you are here and your mind is somewhere else? This is not what communication is. आपके classes लगते हैं, correct? Lectures लगते हैं. How many of you give your 100% to what your professors are saying? This is the biggest problem in industry also. I'll give you a small example. If there was a boss, a subordinate came to that person. He was having some real issue, and he was discussing that issue with that his superior. But nowadays we have so many barriers in our communication. That boss, he was just after every 2 minutes his phone was pinging, WhatsApp, then LinkedIn, then other things. Then somebody came in, then office boy came in. And in between his discussion, he was talking to so many other people. So what was happening? What was happening? He was not communicating with that person. The person was losing interest telling his story to somebody. The right communication, the right listening skills is, अगर आप किसी से बात कर रहे हैं, so you should be 100% involved in that person. Just give your 100%. That is very important. If you have done this, half of the job is done. I will say you are a wonderful, you can become a wonderful communicator, and being a wonderful communicator is very, very, very important when you go in industry. If you learn this skill right now, I keep teaching this skill till now to experienced people who are having experience of more than 20 years. But you have the right platform. अगर आप ये skill अब सीख लें, if you learn this skill right now, it will help you. It will keep you much above what other people are. It will lead you to a greater level of success. So be a good listener. When you are talking to somebody, give your 100% to that person. Just listen to him. And listening means not hearing. Listening का मतलब hearing नहीं होता है कि आप सिर्फ सुन रहे हो. Listening is you are understanding what the person is saying. Listening is you are trying to empathize with the person. It's very important. Because the person is trusting you that he is communicating with you. You are going to listen to that guy. He has that trust in you. That's why he has come to you. Or trust in any organization, in any level of leadership, in any company, in any wherever, your personal life, your professional life. It's very important. It's very, very important. So try to have a good hold on your communication. Try to improve your listening skills. Try whenever you are talking to somebody, whenever somebody is talking to you, try to give your 100% to that person. Try to become a good listener, because this is a skill. If you learn from today, the time after 2 years when you will enter the industry, it will help you a lot. It will help you a lot, because this is one of the basic thing which is lacking in industry nowadays. And there is a lot of disengagement. We say that people are disengaged. हम बोलते हैं organization अच्छी नहीं है, culture अच्छा नहीं है. I'll say from where that culture comes. Culture comes from you guys, from your generation. You are the pillars who are going to build the culture of tomorrow's organizations. Right? So this is up to you how you want to do it. And one more thing, खुद को वैल्यू करना शुरू करो. Try to have your own value. Try to understand your own worth. Try to empower yourself. Try to be more positive and feel good about yourself. How many of you, when you get up in morning every day, how you feel? Do you feel good about yourself? कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जो बोलते हैं I am proud of myself. I am very happy the way I am. I am very proud of myself. I have done wonders in my life, and I'll be doing so many great things today. How many of you have that plan in mind? Do you really do that? If you are not doing that, start doing it from tomorrow. Feel good about yourself. जब तक खुद को पॉजिटिव नहीं बनाएंगे, अपने बारे में अपनी वैल्यू खुद नहीं करेंगे, कोई हमारी वैल्यू नहीं करेगा. Nobody will value you. We say that that person don't value me. People don't feel my worth. I get confused. I get whenever I come in front of people, I cannot speak. I get fumble. Why? Because I am not confident about myself. There is a saying that I am not a good communicator. I am an introvert person. I totally disagree with this statement. It's not like that. Nobody is introvert. You can develop those skills. It's all about how you feel about yourself. It's all about do you really feel that confidence in yourself? Are you really motivated about yourself? Are you empower yourself? Empowering yourself means taking responsibility of your own life. You are not putting blame on other people कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ because of that guy या उसकी वजह से my day got spoiled because he had a fight with me. We do that. Today, my exam was bad. The paper was tough. I had a very bad day because everybody was arguing with me. Every time we put that blame on other people. Do we do that? We do that. But do we take that charge on us? There may be problem in my communication. There may be problem in my listening. There may be an issue with the scenario where I have reacted. The only problem is we start reacting. If we try to analyze the situation and we don't react, and then we think how we should respond to this particular situation, that will help us. All these things will happen when we feel good about us. We value ourselves, feeling positive about us. When we feel positive about us, we feel energized every day about us, then only things will work. Then only the things will change. Every day there should be something new. Every day you should have some target in mind, the goal in mind. Aaj to ye karna hai zindagi mein. Aaj to some difference I will make with my life. Something different I will do. Every day you should have something to do. You should be full of energy. And I know it's not possible. There will be situations, there will be reactions. कई बारी situations हो जाएंगी, कई बारी negativity आएगी, वो आती है. This is a human body and that negativity will come. You cannot stop that thing from coming. The only thing you can do is you can more focus on the positive things you have in your life. नेगेटिविटी हम बहुत जल्दी रिमेंबर करते हैं. कुछ जिंदगी में बुरा हुआ है तो वी विल बी कीप रिमेंबरिंग दैट, बट वी विल नॉट रिमेंबर व्हाट पॉजिटिव हैज हैपेंड टू मी, व्हाट गुड हैज हैपेंड, व्हाट अचीवमेंट्स आई हैव अचीव्ड इन माय लाइफ. So these are the basic things. Is very important. And thirdly is your attitude towards your work, the way you behave, your body language. When you go in industry, when you work, when you will be joining different organizations, when you will be getting selected, even during interviews, the first thing which is seen is your attire, your body language, your attitude, then your listening skills. They judge your listening skills, what kind of listener you are. Then your knowledge base, improve, enhance your knowledge every day. As I said, जब तक अपना गोल क्लियर नहीं करोगे तब तक आप अपना नॉलेज इंक्रीज नहीं कर पाओगे, क्योंकि ऐसे नॉलेज बढ़ाना is nothing. There is so many things around, but it should be aligned to your goal. Enhance your knowledge, because if you will make yourself specialized in a field every day and day and day and day, the time you will be out of your college, you will be at a different level from other people. I can vouch for that. You will be all together at a different level, and it will really help you. So your attitude, your knowledge, every day you should be eager to learn new things. Always be a child, I'll say. Children keep asking so many questions. Why? Aisa kyun? Keep doing that. And stop thinking कि ये क्या होगा, वो क्या सोचेगा, या the people will laugh on me, they will shout on me, they will make fun of me. Nothing will happen. I know many among you may not be a person who can say who can stand in front of thousands and hundreds of people and start communicating. If I say for you, you have to address a forum of 100 or 500 people today, you may not. You may get confused. But the skill to overcome that confusion is just one. This is just one skill to overcome that confusion. Just feel confident about yourself. Just feel that I am a wonderful person. Just feel that. Even if you are not feeling good about yourself, just try to feel that you are feeling good about yourself. Sometimes when you do these things intentionally, the positive vibes come in us. And that is a key. For you, you are management student, right? You are a management student. You will be, when you go out in the industry, you will be managing so many people. So many people will be working under you. But if you don't understand the skill of active listening or right kind of attitude, you won't be able to do anything. This is a skill. This is a key to it. There is no rocket science in this. Why we don't have good managers nowadays? Because they are not good listeners. That is the only thing, and they don't trust their people. The trust comes when, and why they don't trust people? Because they don't trust themselves. We have our self-doubt. हम खुद की competence को भी doubt करते हैं. Today, if you feel that I can stand in front of 500 people, I can deliver a management lecture, just feel it and you will do it. I can vouch for it. You can do it. It's all about our self-doubt. Until and unless we value ourselves, until and unless we feel our worth, nobody will. Nobody will value us until and unless we value ourselves. So start valuing yourself. Start feeling positive about yourself. Become a good listener. Try to every day try to have this skill in your life. You have the best time, because whenever you are in classes, you are attending lectures, try to be a good listener. Somebody has come to talk to you, try to give your 100% to that person. Try and this will help you. So if people start trusting you, you will create a value in yourself. People will start valuing you. Try to increase your knowledge. So this is what is very important. And now I'll give you 5 golden rules. I'll give you 5 golden rules. If you follow these 5 golden rules, you can do wonders. I'll tell you can achieve any level of success if you follow these golden rules. I want to show you some presentation also. I have that rights for that. Then let me check. Can you give me, sir, can you give me hosting rights? I want to show a presentation.
Madam, just I'm requesting Richa madam, she is going to do just one second.
Okay, no problem. So in the meanwhile, when I'll get the rights, I want to show you there is nothing much in the presentation. There are only words, but still I want to show you that. So guys, start doing it right now. Today is the time. Industry में घुसना, job lena, kaam karna, it's nothing much. It's about what difference you are creating in your life. I'll tell you about my life. I have so many experiences. I'll tell you this stage of pandemic situation, of this COVID time when we all were sitting at home. Now, obviously we are working, but still we were sitting at home. And I was not feeling good that I am not doing something different. I started grooming myself. I attended so many other training programs. I started interacting with students like you. So the more you interact, I feel the more you learn. I can also learn so many things from you. So it's very important that you should feel that what change I am bringing in myself. अपना value create करना, अपने आप में वो change लाना is very important. It's very, very important. Right? आपका वैल्यू ये होना चाहिए कि I have worked in so many industries. I've worked in Tata Group. Till today, I have very good relationships with my seniors, the CEOs. They call me, I speak to them. Why I am able to talk to them? Because I have enhanced my knowledge base. I have made my value over there by doing things, by performing. It's all about performance. So अपने आप को अलग दिखाने के लिए कुछ अलग करना पड़ता है. Rather than he has that thing and I don't have. Don't do this. Don't compare. Don't do unhealthy comparisons in life. I have this thing. I don't have this thing. He has this thing. He get a lot of appreciation. I don't get. Everybody talks to him. Nobody talks to me. Have you ever thought there may be you only, you have not initiated and you are just giving a generalized statement? You mean everybody in this college, they don't talk to you? How many people you know in this college? How many teachers you know in this college? And how do you know they don't talk to you? Have anybody come to you? Have you gone to somebody to speak up? Have you taken that initiative? Have you shared any of your knowledge with somebody? Do you do knowledge sharing sessions within your groups? Do you do that? We keep on chatting, we keep on doing video calls, But do we really do our knowledge sharing sessions without our professors? Let's have a topic, today's topic. If you all guys, a group of marketing guys, they get together, they discuss on some topic. HR guys, if you go together, discuss on, like nowadays artificial intelligence is one topic. Let's do some brainstorming. Let's understand what is there in this emotional intelligence, what's there in this, what is succession planning, what do you understand by succession planning, competency matrix, what's about it. So let's do some brainstorming, let's study, and let's get back and let's have something, let's discuss something. This is what is a real learning is. बुक्स की लर्निंग तो कोई भी कर सकता है, आप घर बैठ के भी कर सकते हो, अभी आप कर रहे हो. But this platform, this technology which is there with us, are we really utilizing that in a better way? Are we really doing that? That is a question we need to ask ourselves. और we are just doing lectures, लग रहे हैं, हम classes लगा रहे हैं, paper आएंगे, we'll give our exams, we'll pass out, we'll get some job and we'll go. Or you want to create difference in life. I always say that start your life with the end. Just believe that today is last day of your life, and just see if you are not there tomorrow, what legacy you are leaving behind. How will people remember you? What will they say about you? Just thought of all those words and then start doing things. Things will start flowing. I can say that. Things will start flowing. Okay. So I want to share with you. I guess I have got the rights now. Just a second. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Great. So I will give you 5 golden keys. These are the 5 keys given by one of my mentors, I believe is Tony Robbins. So I'll give you these 5 keys, and I personally apply these keys in my life. I am keep doing this for so many years, and will be keep doing this till I'm alive, because this actually helped me. This actually keep me charged of doing new things in life, right? And I'll just share these keys with you so that it can help you also, right? The key number 1. The key number 1 says that feed and condition your mind. Every day, feed and condition your mind. 30 minutes. 24 घंटे में से just 30 minutes you have to take. Feed your mind with new readings, new thoughts, but all those things should be aligned with your goal. और ये कब होना चाहिए? सबसे पहले आप अपने लाइफ के गोल्स क्रिएट करो. मुझे क्या करना है? Which specialized field I want to be? What I really want to do, which industry I want to go, which I'll say you should be so specific that which organization I want to go. I'm dreaming to go. Then once you do that, start feeding your mind every day with things aligned to your goals. Every day, either it's articles, either it's videos, either it's reading material. Every day, 30 minutes you have to spend for yourself. Uninterrupted, undisturbed 30 minutes. People say that we don't have time. आप लोग तो ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते. Still, I tell them, if you don't have time, put an audio and just keep listening when you are driving, you are going home from office, you do that. But you guys have time. Keep feeding your mind 30 minutes in a day. Keep feeding your minds. Keep putting yourself with more knowledge, enhance your knowledge, enhance your skills, align with your goal. And secondly, mind and body is all correlated. You cannot have a healthy mind until and unless you have a healthy body, correct? So you have to feed your body also. 10 to 15 minutes, please keep to your body. Do some exercise, do some yoga, pranayam, or go for a brisk walk, whatever you want to do. I'm not saying go for a 45 minutes workout or a gym. Don't do that. Just 15 minutes take out for your body. 15 minutes of exercise. Keep your body healthy. Have a healthy body and a healthy mind. Correct? Understood? Keep doing that. Keep having this every day it's just a matter of total 45 minutes. So I don't think it's so much difficult for us to take 45 minutes from an entire day. If I'll take out 8 to 9 hours of the sleep, rest when we are awake, Can we take out this 45 minutes just for ourselves so that we can grow every day in life? We can, once you start doing this, I can tell you, you will be automatically feeling positive about yourself, automatically feeling good about yourself, automatically getting charged about. You will be more charged that I am every day, I am going closer to my goal. Every day I am aligning more self, I am aligning myself to my goal, right? So this is rule number 1 and rule number 2. Rule number 3 and 4. Rule number 3 says have a role model. Having role model in life is very important. Have your role models in life, the people who are aligned to your goal, the people whom you think can be a role model is closer to your goal. And rule number 4 says have close proximity with them. Try to interact with them more and more. Prove your worth. किसी को role model बनाना and then only expecting he is my role model, I want to gain knowledge and I want to gain some experience from them. Do it other way around. If you are making somebody role model, just try to show your value. Try to do some things for that person. Try to do something so that he can feel value in you. Wow, this person is so intelligent. He can really do something different. I should train him. हम लोग क्या करते हैं जनरली, वी ऑलवेज एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम अदर्स कि हमें ये मिले, हमें वो मिले, हम ये ले लें. बट व्हाट हैव आई डन फॉर देम? जस्ट इफ यू कैन प्रूव योर वैल्यू बाय डूइंग, that is the best way to prove your value. So have your role models and have close proximity with your role models. If you do that, definitely you will add value. You will add value in yourself. They will believe value in you. So please have your role models, have close proximity with them, keep talking to them, keep showing your value, start proving yourself. I understand it's very difficult. It's not that easy to be in that uncomfort zone. If I tell you, you be in a people of big shots who are successful leaders, I put one of you there in a meeting with them for 2 hours, you will not feel comfortable being with them. But for being successful, for being knowledgeable, it's very important to be in that uncomfort zone. It's very important. Be in that uncomfort zone, be in that area. It will help you. You will learn and you will grow. Okay. Now, the last one, the rule number 5, have massive actions, have reciprocity. Do it again and again, every day. Feed your body, feed your mind, have your role model, keep learning, keep talking to them, keep listening to their videos, keep interacting with people who are closer to your, aligned to your goals. Do it every day and throughout the years you should do it. It's not one day job or 2 days or 10 days, nothing. You have to do, but you have to do it with honesty with yourself. We says that बचपन से सिखाया जाता है, honesty is the best policy. हमें ये एक line we have been taught. But I believe honesty, the first thing is the honesty with yourself. Honesty when nobody is seeing you. Am I being honest to myself? I am doing justice to myself. I have prepared that I have my life goals. Am I being honest? I'm taking actions. Am I taking massive actions every day to align myself to these goals, or I am not doing this? This is honesty. Nobody will going to ask you. This is not a college lecture where professors will ask you for assignments and you have done or you have not done. You have to do it for your own, because nobody else will do it for you. And last one, which is not there in this, that talks about abundance, that talks about giving. Have that abundance, have that giving attitude in yourself. If you have 100 rupees, please spend 50 rupees on somebody who really needed it. If you have so much of knowledge, please share our knowledge with the people who are deprived of this knowledge. Please help people who are around you, who don't have that privilege to get learned, to get educated in such a good platform, in such big universities like you. Try to share, try to have that abundance. The more you give, the more will come back to you. Try to have that attitude. अगर मेरे पास कुछ है, if you have that feeling that पहले मुझे ये share करना है, then I will have it for myself. If I am having skilled in something, I am good in something, I am so much of knowledgeable, educated, why can't I share my knowledge with somebody? And sharing of knowledge will not, it's not like your value or importance will go. You will increase your importance, you will increase your worth, you will increase your value. The more you share, the more you learn, and the more you learn, the more you grow. So please keep doing that. If you must be doing, keep doing that. Be a wonderful person. The more you share with people, the more you give that feeling of giving to others. It gives a lot of happiness to ourselves. That happiness is something which is unmeasurable. When you do something for somebody and somebody just say thank you so much, you have made my life, you have done something different, I really feel good. Wherever in industries I work, I've always tried that. I have trained the people under me, and people they who have been trained under me, they are still in touch with me. They just call up and tell me that ma'am, we are here because of you. I tell them, no, you are here because of your right attitude, your approach. I was only the medium to take you there. They are sitting in good industries as respectable positions today. So I why I'm telling you this, because I feel good that somebody's life has made because of I was a medium for them. So do something for somebody in life. ऐसा कुछ करो कि लोग आपको याद करें, ऐसा कुछ करो कि लोगों को आपका वो वैल्यू समझ आए, आपको अच्छा लगे किसी के लिए कुछ करके. Right? I'll leave you with this quote: push yourself. You have to push yourself. You have to decide what you want to do in life, because nobody else will do it for you. Nobody else will come and tell you, please do this, Karan, please do this, Minal, please do this. Nobody else. You have to do it for yourself. And today is the time, today is the day, today is the moment where you have to do it. I wish you all the best. To you guys, you have wonderful careers, do succeed in life, and all the best from my side. Thank you.
Madam, you can stop sharing. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Before we close, I just want to have maybe 2 minutes my side, some of the
Yeah, sir.
which I have the learning. You know, today the things are changing very fast. We are moving from, you can say, physical to spiritual also.
Yeah.
So since I am also exactly practicing something spiritual, I understand what the madam has told to you, right? So once she has told the law of attraction. So you will have to first prove yourself, right? This is one. You will have to create value for others. Do more for others, and you will get the double or triple or unlimited you are going to get.
Correct.
So don't think that first other will do, then I will do. This is the second message madam has given. Since now the technology has changed, so you will have to change yourself also. So madam has told the knowledge sharing is very important, right? Abundance of knowledge is available on YouTube. So many channels are there. So utilize, right? So right, you will have to change your attitude. This is number one. Number two, as such, there is nothing, no time. You know, nothing, no time. So you cannot say I am not having a time. So actually, I used to say myself, even I used to heard that at least I should have 8 hours of sleep. So then that will be okay. But now I feel I normally I woke up at 3:30 in the morning. Then I have some spiritual session. Then after that I take a sleep of around 40 minutes. But still I am feeling very much fresh. So first you will have to change your attitude. So nothing is impossible. This is the madam has given this is another message has given. And the 5 goals are very important, because if you will lag behind, right? So you can say once you have not achieved anything, you are over. So madam has told, so you have taken birth on the earth. So you will have to prove yourself. So, right, this is the another message madam has given. And I'm the Madam has given so many valuable tips for you. And as a teacher, I request you to note down all these things and go by what the madam has suggested. The last thing, just I want to say that, this is called selflessness. So just madam, not to disclose anything, right? I requested madam that we would like to pay remuneration to you.
No,
Madam
sir.
told, no, this is exactly, I just want to give something to others, so I don't want to take anything in return. So this is a great thing in life, right? This can be practiced by the rare people, not everyone, right? So I now request Karan is going to have next.
Yes, sir.
Maybe 1
Yes,
minute.
sir.
Yes, Karan, you can continue.
Good morning, everyone. So we have reached the end of this beautiful session. Today, I, Karan Singla, take the opportunity to put my gratitude into words. On behalf of school management and all students, I would like to extend my heartiest thanks to honorable expert, Ms. Baljit Arora, for her presence in the session. Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us with your inspiring and motivating words. You are an exemplary person, and we have a lot to learn from you. Also, I must thank our program coordinator, Ms. Sushil Chabra, and faculty member, Ms. Richa Sharma and Anuradha ma'am, for his support and guidance for organizing such a session and closely to mark with success. I am looking forward to have a session with you, ma'am. Thank you and have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Karan, and thank you, everyone. You all are a wonderful audience. Keep rocking, keep doing wonders, keep doing excelling in life. You need anytime you need my help, I'll always be available. No, not an issue. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words. I am highly appreciative.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Students, we will continue for 2 minutes further. Madam, thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Students, just keep your camera on. I would like to talk to everyone. राजन, कीर्ति, दीपांशु, आप भी ऑन कर दो। आयुषी, हाँ, देखो आयुषी आप भी ऑन कर दो अगर है तो। हाँ, देखो एक चीज, पहले मैं एक छोटी सी अनाउंसमेंट कर दूं, जो नेक्स्ट क्लास आपकी होगी वो 12:15 to 1:45। मैडम रीचा मैडम कंटिन्यू करेंगी। अनुराधा मैडम इज नाउ टुडे ओनली, राइट? तो 1:45 के बाद आपका 2:30 का जो सेशन है वो दीपक सर का कंटिन्यू हो जाएगा, ठीक है? 2:30 to 5। कल वाला जो सेशन है वो आपकी फाइनेंशियल एनालिटिक्स की वर्कशॉप है। जो आपका बचा हुआ कोर्स है एनालिटिक्स का, वो फाइनेंशियल एनालिटिक्स का दीपक सर कंटिन्यू करेंगे। और कल का जो सेशन है वो वर्कशॉप है, आप थोड़ा ध्यान रखो। सिमरन, कहाँ पे हो?
यस सर।
सिमरन, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी जो है वो जैसे आज का सेशन आपने किया है, वेरी गुड। उदित तो है ना कुछ वो, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है ऊपर नीचे थी तो
Yes sir, she had some issue in the last minute, so we changed it to Keith.
नहीं वो ठीक है, बट वो ठीक तो है ना?
हाँ जी sir, she is fine.
Okay. You have done very well, और Karan has also spoken very well. और ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी जो है, जो कल वाला सेशन है उसको वर्कशॉप की तरह ही करना है। मतलब नाउ दीपक सर डोंट जस्ट थिंक ही इज ए टीचर, जैसे वो ही इज ए रिसोर्स पर्सन। वी आर टेकिंग इट एज ए वर्कशॉप, ठीक है? वो वर्कशॉप की सेंस में हम उसको लेंगे, ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है। इसलिए सैटरडे का सेशन भी ऐसे रहेगा। और एक चीज और मैं आपसे जस्ट एक पूछना चाहूंगा कि आप लोग मेल नहीं पढ़ते क्या पूरी नहीं पढ़ते, या उसको ठीक तरह से नहीं अंडरस्टैंड करते? उसमें एक चीज क्लियरली लिखी हुई थी कि आपको ड्रेस, कॉलेज ड्रेस में आपको अटेंड करना है। इसका मैं आपको रीजन बता देता हूँ। देखो, हमारी तरफ से कोई आपको फोर्स नहीं करना है, ना ही आपसे वो काम करवाने के, ठीक है जी ये ऑर्डर कर दिया और ये आपको करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ये जो मैडम है बलजीत अरोड़ा मैडम, शी इज द ओवरऑल इंचार्ज ऑफ HR इन SML। और ये छोटी कंपनी नहीं है, बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है, बड़ा प्लांट है इनका रोपड़ का, और पूरे प्लांट को देखती है। अब हम इनसे इंटर्नशिप की भी बात करेंगे। आई विल टॉक टू हर, राइट, दोज आर इंटरेस्टेड, वहां पे आप जा सकते हैं। तो एक इम्प्रेशन डालने वाली बात होती है। मेरी बात समझ रहे हो या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
एक
Yes, sir.
इम्प्रेशन डालना है आपने कि चलो हम चाहे वर्चुअल मोड में हैं लेकिन फिर भी आप ड्रेस में हो, ड्रेस तो बन चुकी है काफी उनकी, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? आप सोचो, मतलब देखो, अगर आप नहीं चाहते तो हम आपको नहीं बोलेंगे। आप खुद डिसाइड करो कि क्या आज एचआर वाले सेशन में ड्रेस कोड होना चाहिए था या नहीं। मतलब
Yes,
आप
sir.
इसके बारे में क्या फील करते हो? अगर मान लो आपको मैं कुछ अथॉरिटी दूं कि हम स्टूडेंट से पूछेंगे, स्टूडेंट से डिस्कस करेंगे, तो क्या मैं क्या मान के चलूं? आप जो करोगे तभी तो मुझे पता चलेगा ना। मतलब आप इसके बारे में बोलो, क्या क्या मतलब आपका इसके बारे में क्या विचार है? क्या हमें ड्रेस कोड में आज होना चाहिए था या नहीं? कोई यस या नो तो बोलो।
Yes, sir.
एक ने बोला और
यस सर, होना चाहिए था।
देखो, अभी आज भी डायरेक्टर सर से मेरी बात हुई है, कम से कम 10-15 कंपनी में हमारी बात, उन्होंने 10-15 कंपनी के नाम दिए हैं जो हमारे बोर्ड में है। अर्नेस्ट एंड यंग है, ट्राइडेंट है, इनसे बात चल रही है। ये जो है आपकी सोनी मैक्स, वैशाली मैडम है यहाँ पे हमारे बोर्ड में है। अर्नेस्ट एंड यंग है, डिलॉयट ने अभी 6-7 स्टूडेंट लिए हैं बीकॉम के हमारे GGDHD से। अभी सर का मैसेज आया था, 6-7 डिलॉयट ने लिए। डिलॉयट से भी बात होगी। और आपका लुधियाना में भी बहुत अच्छी कंपनीज हैं। अभी आज ही सुखजिंदर सर और मेरी अभी एक मीटिंग हुई थी, तो 4-5 बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां लुधियाना में भी हैं। मोहाली में कितनी सारी कंपनी हैं। आई वॉज सो सरप्राइज्ड कि हमारे पास खुद इतना कंपनीज हैं कि हम उनसे बात करके एचआर के सेशंस करवाएं, उनके ऊपर अच्छा इंप्रेशन डालें। और आपको बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज में आप जाओ, उसमें इंटरव्यू करके उसको कंप्लीट करो। आप कोई भी आपको बात कही जाती है उसका मीनिंग होता है। आप में से कितने लोगों को याद है कि मैंने ये कहा था कि GGDHD इज हैविंग ए एक्सीलेंस इन DNA। इसका मतलब ये समझो कि हमारा जो बोर्ड है, जो GGDHD सोसाइटी है, दे आर केयरिंग फॉर अस। वो अपनी तरफ से बहुत सारा कुछ कर रहे हैं आपके लिए, लेकिन आपसे भी एक्सपेक्टेशन है। हमने जो डेटाबेस बनाया है उसका तो चलो ठीक है, कर ही रहे हैं, राइट। अब हमारे पास इतनी कंपनी हो गई है कि हम उनको बुलाने का टाइम नहीं रहेगा। मैं आपको ये बता देता हूँ, एक हफ्ते में कितने सेशन एचआर के करवा लोगे? पर मैं शेड्यूल करने वाला हूं आपके सेशंस। तो मुझे आपसे कोऑपरेशन चाहिए। क्या कोऑपरेशन चाहिए? एक तो आपको क्वेश्चन बहुत ही पहले क्वेश्चन सोचो और क्वेश्चन पूछो। जो भी आते हैं आपके स्पीकर्स, गुड गुड अच्छे क्वेश्चन पूछो, राइट, ठीक है, उनसे इंटरेक्शन करो। दूसरा, ड्रेस में आपको रहना है, राइट। और तीसरा जो है, वीडियो आपको ऑन रखनी है। आप घर में बोल दो कि इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन है, आज वीडियो ऑन रखेंगे। और जो आपका सैटरडे का सेशन है उसमें बोर्ड मेंबर हैं, डॉक्टर JS सैनी सर हैं, और वो हमारे से बहुत ज़्यादा एसोसिएटेड रहते हैं। उसमें आप ड्रेस में आइए, ठीक है। कल वाले में ड्रेस की जरूरत नहीं है। दीपक सर हमारे हैं, कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन उनको आप उनकी प्रोफाइल रीड करनी है आपने, ठीक है, और एंड में थैंक भी करना है। इसको आपने सेशन की तरह लेना है, वर्कशॉप की। सिमरन ठीक है ना? हाँ। और हाँ, जो सैटरडे वाला सेशन है वो भी आपका है, उसमें भी सर जो है, सैली सर बोलने वाले हैं, राइट। और गुड क्वेश्चन पूछो। आपकी इंटेलिजेंस शो होनी चाहिए कि आप अच्छी तरह से सुन रहे हो और डिस्कस कर रहे हो, ठीक है। और अभी आरुषि कोई रिजल्ट तो नहीं आया STPI से अभी?
No, sir, not yet.
ठीक है, तो मैं उनसे पूछ लूंगा। इंटरव्यू हो चुका था ना?
Yes, sir.
और इसमें ना, वी वांट दैट ऑल शुड बी इन्वॉल्व इन लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स, ठीक है। अरुषि तुम 1 मिनट के लिए बोल दो, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट लाइव प्रोजेक्ट, क्या आपने सोचा इसमें?
Sir, about yesterday.
हाँ हाँ
Sir, it is a wonderful opportunity as they're offering us certain, like we have to manage their events, as well as they're offering us sort of internships in certain domains like finance. They will give us their accounts to handle. So it is a great learning exposure, I'll say.
हाँ, राइट, गुड। तो वो मैं उनसे पूछ लूंगा, अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन गो हेड, लेकिन आपको ये एग्जामिनेशन और उसके साथ मैनेज करना है सब चीजें, और आपको इंटेलिजेंट बनना है, मल्टी टास्कर बनना है। ऐसे नहीं होना ये मेरे तो एग्जाम चल रहे हैं मैं कैसे करूं, मेरा ये चल रहा है मैं कैसे करूं, ठीक है? तो आपको मल्टीटास्क का मतलब होता है, आप वैसे भी आप यूट्यूब और इधर उधर जो आप जो लगते रहते हो, यंग जनरेशन है, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि आप उसको छोड़ दो, एंजॉय भी करो सॉन्ग, ऐसा नहीं मैंने कहा कि आप सॉन्ग मत सुनो, लेकिन जहाँ पे आपको काम करना है उसमें भी मल्टीटास्क करो, ठीक है? आप 3-4 घंटे सोते हो, दूसरी चीजों में भी, आपकी ट्रेनिंग में भी आपको टाइम लगाना है। एग्जाम थोड़े से डिले होंगे, वो आपको नोटिस आ जाएगा, वी वांट टू गिव मोर ब्रीदिंग टू द स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? थोड़ा सा डेट शीट चेंज होगी, वो आपके पास आ जाएगी। और कोई क्वेश्चन हो, किसी ने पूछना हो, आप पूछ सकते हो। ब्रोशर मोस्ट प्रोबेबली जल्दी ही रेडी हो जाएगा, हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं। और हमें जब भी मेरे को जरूरत होगी, मैं इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी या प्लेसमेंट सेल से बात करता रहूंगा। आपको जस्ट कहना है सर आप बताओ क्या काम करना है, मैं रेडी हूँ, राइट? मुझे ये एटीट्यूड चाहिए बस, और स्टूडेंट कर भी रहे हैं। मेरी सिमरन से मेरे कल 1-2 दिन पहले बात हुई थी और शी वाज रेडी, उसने ऑर्गेनाइज करके दिखा दिया, ठीक है? और रिचा मैडम, यू लाइक टू अनाउंस? और जो आपका मेरी भी क्विज है, मैं आपको बता दूंगा क्विज कैसे करनी है, WBRM की। रिचा मैडम, एनीथिंग एल्स?
So let them enjoy a break for 30 minutes, I think. Let them take a break for 30 minutes. So I'll take session at 12:30 because then Radha ma'am is on leave today and she won't be able to take your, I think, this soft skill session. So I'll take your management, I'll continue with it and I'll take your session for 1 hour, 50 minutes. Right, I'm giving you a 30 minutes break so you can enjoy your break.
सर क्विज कितने बजे हो?
मैं अभी बता दूंगा, और अकॉर्डिंगली आप उसको कर लेना।
Management accounting quiz will get started 5:10. Like you'll tell me, you'll share the timings जब सर आपका सेशन एंड करेंगे। Accordingly, I'll plan your quiz. आपको 5-10 minutes का ब्रेक देके आपके ऑफिशियल ग्रुप में फ्लोट होके I'll start with that group and I'll stay connected with you people here. क्योंकि कल तो हमारे एक ऑफिशियल मीटिंग था जूम पे, तो आज मैं आपके साथ यहाँ पे कनेक्ट हो जाऊंगी जूम पे। दीपक सर को बोल के मैं यहाँ से ट्रांसफर लेके आपका वो शिफ्ट, तो जिसको भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगा, होप सो भी किसी को प्रॉब्लम ना आए आज के क्विज में, बिकॉज देयर वाज सम टेक्निकल इशू यस्टरडे। और हमारा क्विज दीपक सर के सेशन के बाद कंटिन्यू हो जाएगा।
अच्छा मैडम, आप जस्ट क्विज जो है 15 मिनट्स की रख सकते हो, 15 मिनट्स की मैं कर लेता हूँ, तो हाफ एन आवर में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा।
सर एक्चुअली मेरे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जिसमें कुछ कैलकुलेशंस इन्वॉल्व हैं।